A suffix is an ending added to a root word.
I'm Groot.
And a root word is a normal word like jump. A root word can have a starting added, called a prefix, or an ending added, called a suffix. In year 1, your child will work through simple suffixes that are added to root words without changing its spelling. So, jump becomes jumped, or hunt becomes hunting, or build becomes builder. But in year 2, your child will learn more complex suffixes such as ment, li, full, and ness. And if the root word has an E, it's dropped before adding the suffix. So have becomes having. Year 3 and 4 will introduce Asian and us to your child and also expose them to tricky li root words that will change their spelling. So in this case, happy becomes happily with the Y changing to an I. Year 5 and 6 will round off their suffix knowledge with the beautiful suffixes ology, graph and port. But we'll teach them that sometimes ing and ed will add a letter to the root word. So refer becomes referred with a double R. And that's suffixes and I guess root words explained.